Hello, my name is Kent DeJean. I'm an attorney and law partner with Losavio and DeJean. Today we'd like to talk about, are there any deadlines when it comes to filing a succession? You know, when someone passes away, it's necessary in most cases in Louisiana that a succession be done. And so persons are oftentimes concerned about how soon do I need to go about doing this? The general answer is there's really no significant deadlines unless you have a very, very large succession, $12 million or more. In that case, you do have to file a federal tax return within 9 months of the date of death. And so that's the only time you really have a deadline. For the vast majority of cases, there is no deadline. Now, the more complicated answer to the question is, even though there is no deadline, we still recommend that you take actions to complete a succession as quickly as possible. And there's several reasons for that. Number one, if you wait a long period of time, it's going to be harder and harder as the years go on to reconstruct the debts and the assets of a succession. So that's a practical problem that you have. Also, remember that if you do not transfer ownership of title of certain things, especially vehicles or real estate, without a succession, you can't transfer ownership and you may not be able to take possession of those items. So that's the other problem that you have with not doing a succession as quickly as possible. And lastly, also a very big problem that can happen is what happens if other heirs or legatees that are involved in the succession also begin to die later. This can even complicate the whole situation even further, because now you have a successions on top of successions, and it makes it more difficult to complete and longer to complete. So if you have any questions about successions, please give us a call at 225-769-4200. Thank you.